Hello and welcome. If you or someone in your household receives food assistance in Washington State, there are important changes coming in May 2026. This video explains what is changing, who may be affected, and where to get help. Some changes involve which program provides your food benefits. Other changes involve federal work requirements for certain adults. Some households may also see a decrease in monthly food benefits because of a federal LIHEAP rule change. Starting in May 2026, some people will stay on federal SNAP. If you are a U.S. citizen, U.S. national, or a lawful permanent resident, also called a green card holder, you remain eligible for federal SNAP. Some people will move from federal SNAP to state-funded food benefits. This includes COFA migrants, Cuban or Haitian entrants, refugees, and some immigrants with humanitarian protections. If this applies to you, you do not need to reapply. DSHS will move you automatically, and your benefit amount will stay the same. There are also new federal SNAP work requirements. Certain adults must meet work requirements to receive food benefits for more than 3 months in a 36-month period. But many people are exempt. You are exempt if you are younger than 18, older than 65, pregnant, disabled, an American Indian or Alaska Native, or living with a child in your home who is younger than 14. You may need to meet work requirements if you are a veteran experiencing homelessness, under age 24 and aged out of foster care, or age 18 to 64 without a dependent under age 14, and you are not pregnant or disabled. You will receive a screening and an official notice at your next eligibility review. You will not lose benefits before that screening takes place. A federal law change also affects some households receiving LIHEAP. The state can no longer use LIHEAP to provide the highest utility deduction for households without an elderly member age 60 or older or a disabled member. Because of this, some households may see lower food benefits starting in May 2026. These changes may feel confusing, but you do not have to handle them alone. The Community Care Hub program is a free and voluntary service that helps connect you to support. Care coordinators, also called community-based workers, can help you understand benefits, remove barriers like food, housing, or transportation problems, coordinate with doctors and providers, and meet with you by phone, at home, or in the community. To help your benefits continue smoothly, complete your eligibility review on time and make sure your information is correct. If you have questions, call the DSHS Contact Center at 877-501-2233. For local resources, including community-based workers and the Community Care Hub, call Love Overwhelming at 360.846.0272 or visit www.loveoverwhelming.org. Changes are coming, but help is available. Staying informed and completing your review on time can help protect your benefits. Thank you for watching. We are here to support you.